Remember, use your legs.
Turning up the heat this summer. The second annual Sparking Embers Girls Empowerment Fire Boot Camp is fueling confidence through firefighting. The City of Beaufort Town of Port Royal Fire Department is hosting this hands-on training opportunity for young women, introducing them to the skills they need to know to become a firefighter.
I want to prepare them because honestly, it's not easy. You have to have mental toughness, you have to have physical strength, obviously, and so this is the time to find out if you want it or not. It's important for younger women to know that it's possible for you. If you're interested in this and you're dedicated and you want to be here, this is possible.
A lot of people kind of think of the fire service as like a male profession when it's not. It's male and female, whoever wants to do it, they can. Women are more than able to do this job, and it's cool to have these girls come out so they can see myself and Tawana perform the same job that men are performing, and we can do it just as well.
During the 4-day camp, rising 9th through 12th graders are learning life-saving skills, taking part in physical firefighting drills, and getting an inside look at daily life in the firehouse.
It's really cool that we get to see how they work. We've been up in the truck, we've been learning how to do CPR and things like that, looking at arson dogs, and it's just really cool.
I learned how to stay like calm in like these type of situations and like how to use like the tools that they gave us, and I also learned how to clean a fire truck.
These activities are giving students the confidence to see their strengths and consider future careers in public service.
I like helping people, and I like feeling like accomplished about like helping people because it makes me feel good, and so I like when people help me, so I want to give back and help them.
The firefighters are very impressed with the dedication and determination these young women are showing.
I'm seeing the passion in them, and it's making me feel like, yes, we have more people interested. This is going to continue to build.
About 20 girls are taking part in the Sparking Embers Fire Boot Camp. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lose.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.